Please remember that. Your age doesn't make you right. What will make us right? It is wisdom. Pag alam mo ang katotohanan, matanda ka, bata ka, tama ka. Please, spare your children from your bad behavior. Maawa naman kayo sa inyong mga anak. Maawa naman kayo sa mga bata. Instead of having a toxic attitude, why not choose today to be an inspiring person? Amen? I think it is also good to us. In my life, as an adult, do I motivate the young? Ano po ang sabi sa Biblia in the book of Proverbs? Train up a child in the ways of the Lord, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Napakalinaw ng turo sa Biblia. Sabi, train up the child. It does not say, scold a child. It does not say, hurt a child. The commandment to us is, train up the child. Alam niyo po kung anong ibig sabihin ng train? Nakakita na po kayo ng train? Yung sinasakyan?